Fragment. But loud behind the scene, yes. What happening, host? Don't drink coffee too much. Ah, that's why. Mamulita, you know, I don't drink coffee for today. I just drink the instant chai karak. I will show you how many I have. I drink the instant. Do you have this one? I drink this one, the instant chai karak. Kinsa ni? Kinsa ni? Buti nga sa'yo. Buti nga sa'yo. I know you drink always gatas. Assalamualaikum. Eid Mubarak Adhada. Eid Mubarak ya Sadiq. We have Arabic guest. Assalamualaikum. Kif halik ya Sadiq? Inta shu kalam. Lazim kalam English. Alshan hada inti kalam mafi black hag YouTube channel. Okay? Kalam English. So we are cooperating each other here. We are understanding. We are the same. Okay? Syukran. Syukran agad. Tiyang syukran agad. Tinapos mo na agad. Yes, Sadiq. You coming my live. You talk English. So we understand and we reading you saying. Okay? No Englishing you put only eggplant. No good. Matabi. Hada YouTube channel Matabi hi Shay. Hada Ed. Okay? Hada Ed. Alhin Arab. Okay? Pati ni Fulus. Iba na salita. Parang hindi na sumagot. Thank you agad. Nasipa na si Prag. Bakit nasipa si Prag? Sinipa ni Prag. Maayo. Very good. Nasipa agad. Aywa. Aksan. Alasyan inta kalamay. May Mozen. May kalam Mozen. Okay? Ini YouTube channel. Ini mamnu kalam che. Okay? Lazim kalam zen. Hello. Halwa. Ya habibti. Ya habibi. Chi. Nasapian na naman. Okay, I'm finishing. Oy, Marilo, I'm finishing here. I'm finishing. I'm finishing now. You see? We are so very talented person. We talk English, we talk Arabic, we talk Bisaya, we talk Tagalog. You talk what you talk. Inta shu kalam. Mafi. Mabizid. Kalam shay. Harakat. Besawi mushkila. What's it? Yeah. Ngayon, maghanap ka ng translator mo. Wala. Sa kalaman na siya? Calling the attention of mananawas of albularyo. Yan ang sinasabi ko sa inyo. You don't small us. Because us, we know a lot of, we are very talented. We talk a lot of languages. See? You tell us, our salary is very small. Shoo hada ka lang. Hada zen yani? Lesh yani. Inti yani hati akil hag pamilyar? No. Mapigulay siya. Okay? Okay, wala. Marinig talaga ako ng amo ko. Sabihin ng amo ko, wala na, nasiraan na ng ulo. Kailangan na to ng mental health. Yung aking bags nasira. Kailangan pantay lang yan. Kailangan na ba ng mananawas? Paragman, kailangan na ng mananawas.